Hi, this is Walter with Ease of California with the Energy Savings Program. So today we'll be showing you how to connect your devices to the smart power strip with the multi-sensor. So we're going to proceed to opening it. It's just a plastic, and then I'll be laying out all the components inside the bag. So we have the actual SPS, which is a smart power strip. We have the instruction manual, and then we'll have the multi-sensor connector that will connect to the power strip. I'll continue on connecting it to the wall, and I'll show you the components that you could connect on it. Okay, so now we're in your outlet. You continue on connecting to your outlet, and the surge protector will tell you if your outlets are grounded. In this case, our outlet is grounded, so that's great. So we proceed on connecting this, your appliances that you wish to connect. So the power strip itself has a guide of the things that you can connect on it. So basically, anything on the green will connect any appliance that works with your television. As you can see, it says game console. You could put a sound bar, DVD player, Blu-ray, and even a subwoofer for your sound bar. Also, you could connect Fire Sticks or Chromecast or anything that works for your television. Now, on the other two, you'll have things that you always need on. So as you can see in the box, it says always on. So you could put your cable box, DVR, you could put your Wi-Fi or anything else that you do need always on, because when you turn off your TV, it will not affect these two outlets right here. So once we connect everything, for example, we connect your TV, let's say you have a game console, we connect it there, and then a DVD or a Blu-ray player, you connect it on the green. Once we have all that connected, we're gonna put in the multi-sensor that comes in this little bag. So we're gonna unpackage it, and then we will connect it to the side right here where it says sensor. So once we have that on the sensor itself has a little sticky on that you could actually put it in on the side of your TV or the bottom of your TV. So once we proceed, we have everything connected. You have this little button on the side that once everything is connected, you click it and all of them will be turned on. So that's where everything is working currently right now. So this is a nice surge protector for multiple appliances that you have in your home.